Hi everyone, this is a video about this Panasonic Walkman RQ-P265, a stereo cassette player. That's it. This is a cassette player, very basic, is one of the very cheapest of Panasonic, and it comes with a headphone, original headphone that is unused. It's Panasonic. You put it aside, and then this is the item itself. I just put it here, and then it comes with the user manual. We put this box on the side to be in view a little bit, like so. Yeah, you know, Panasonic and Technics, they are sister and brother companies of each other, and this is the warranty or whatever, and this one is the user manual. It really doesn't need a user manual because it's so basics. Look at this, it's just nothing. How to clean the head, how to look after it for the first time use, what are these button, Xbox, vocal, triple. Anyway, I'm gonna show you what it is. And this is the headphone, and this is the unit itself. You can find this unit very tattered and battered, and really, because it's really old and cheap as well. If you find this in this condition, you can at the most you can pay something like 40 to 50 pounds for this. This is in great condition, okay, great working condition. You cannot find it better than this. So this one is one of the most affordable ones of Panasonic, and it has the bass, X-bass, vocal and treble. We are going to demonstrate this is auto reverse and shell lock. I don't know what is this shell lock means. And on the here we have eject button, and is bottom feeder as well, and that is the glimpse of the head and the pinch roller and the inside that is in mint condition. So on here we have a stop, rewind, forward and play and auto reverse, and this is for direction of auto reverse. It's very crude, you know, mechanical, so there are less things that is going wrong with this. And on here we have a tape selector, normal and chrome or metal, headphone and the volume, and nothing here and nothing here. And it takes 2 AA batteries. So we have here 2 AA batteries. One in here, the positive is that way and the negative is this way. Okay, and because it's so basic, even if there is no tape in there, you can play and pause and do whatever you like, you see. That is the head. Can you see? I don't know if you can see the head. I'm so close to the monitor, I cannot see that. Anyway, it's in great clean condition, working condition. We put a tape in there, and is the bottom feeder. It means the head is at the top. So, and this is the locking mechanism for the door. It engages to this part. You see? That's it. And it's very, very clean. This is it. And is made in Taiwan. Caution. Replace with fresh batteries of the same kind. Observing polarity. That's it. And in here, I don't know the language. It sounds like French. And it looks like French. Anyhow, and this is it. If you don't want this, you can push this and take this away. But I left it there. And the replay, it doesn't sound very loud. Look at them. Listen to the mechanism here. Not really loud. Rewind. And it doesn't say rewind and fast forward. It's just arrows there, because with the auto reverse, each of them's functionality could be either rewind or fast forward. Anyhow, and this is the direction. Let me see if I can open the door and show you. Oh, because the tape was in there. Look. Very crude. Fast forward or rewind. Okay, let's go for the tape. And we have a big opening there. But because it's black inside, it's dark inside, I cannot see a thing. Okay, let's see how it sounds like. The tape position is on normal, and the volume is at halfway. So let's do it.
11 years ago.
And all of these seems to be on. Here, this is triple. This is vocal. This is X bass. And when they are on, that red bottom of it is showing. And let me tell you, this one is very prone to get disturbance of frequencies. For instance, I am very near to the Wi-Fi router here, and can you see? Can you hear that? As you see, if I can see which direction is going. No, I cannot see that. Anyhow, this is really basics, and they just put these 3 buttons here, and the normal and chrome tape position here, just to glorify it. But what I like about this is simplicity, and all things are mechanics, and the mechanics of this is really simple. So if anything goes wrong with this, you know, let me see again. You see what I mean? Yeah, you can't see the tape in there. You don't know where you should go now. Okay, I want to go that way. We are going that way. Let's see if I'm doing it right. Yeah. And this is the speed at which it's taking the tape back to the beginning. So the price of this is reasonable. Don't pay too much for this. Is a novel stuff, you know, and it doesn't have any auto stop or something. You see, even it doesn't, you know, stop the motor. So you have to be very careful when you're fast forward or rewind it. And let me see if it has auto reverse, automatic auto reverse. No, no, no. It doesn't have even automatic reverse. So it's very basic. I hope, you know, you enjoyed this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.